Hey there, bookworms and cinephiles. Welcome back to Chapter to Cinema, the podcast where we break down book to screen adaptations and discuss whether they soared like kites in the sky or crashed spectacularly. Today we are diving into Kati Patang, a classic Bollywood melodrama adapted from Gulshan Nanda's novel of the same name. But here's the twist. Nanda's novel was actually inspired by I Married a Dead Man by Cornell Woolrich. So we are dealing with a story that's passed through quite a few hands before making it to the silver screen. Kati Patang isn't just another romantic drama. It's packed with mistaken identities, betrayal, and redemption. It's got the signature 70s Bollywood flair, with songs that are still unforgettable. Nanda, who wrote the screenplay for the movie, takes his own novel and infuses it with that over the top yet irresistible Bollywood magic. But, well, how does the film hold up on the stage? Let's find out. For those who are unfamiliar with the plot, Kati Patang follows Madhavi, played by the stunning Asha Parekh, a woman fleeing from a disastrous past. After a series of twists, she ends up posing as a widowed mother to protect herself from another scandal. Along the way, she falls for Kamal, played by the charming Rajesh Khanna. Drama unfolds, villains emerge, and of course, there's no shortage of melodious songs guiding us through the emotional highs and lows. Right off the bat, one thing that stands out is Asha Parekh's performance. She carries the film on her shoulders, bringing vulnerability and strength to Madhavi's character. In the book, Madhavi's internal conflict is richly explored, and while the film simplifies some aspects of it, Parekh's acting does justice to the emotional core. Rajesh Khanna's Kamal, on the other hand, feels a little more romanticized in the movie compared to the novel's more grounded depiction. Now let's talk about creative liberties. It's no surprise that Kati Patang leans heavily into musical numbers and dramatic flourishes. While Woolrich's original story is a dark noir thriller, Nanda's adaptation shifts the focus to emotional redemption and romance. This tonal shift makes the film less of a psychological thriller and more of a heart tugging romance. Does it work well? Well, for Bollywood audiences, absolutely it does. That said, some of the elements from the book are lost in translation. The tense and sense of dread present in Woolrich's version are dialed down significantly. The movie places more emphasis on Madhavi's relationships and personal growth rather than the gritty suspense that anchored the original story. However, the rich visual storytelling and vibrant songs fill in the gaps, creating an experience that feels uniquely Bollywood. Let's take a moment to appreciate the musical genius that is R.D. Burman. Kati Patang boasts one of the most iconic soundtracks in Bollywood history. Tracks like Ye Sham Mastani and Pyar Deewana Hota Hai aren't just memorable, they are timeless. Rajesh Khanna's charismatic on-screen presence combined with Kishore Kumar's soulful playful playback makes for cinematic gold. But what about the supporting cast? Prem Chopra's villainous turn as Kailash adds just the right amount of drama, and Nasir Hussain drives a solid performance in a more understated role. Together, the ensemble cast elevates the story from a straightforward adaptation to a spectacle that lingers in public memory. Now, no adaptation is perfect. Some viewers felt that the film glossed over Madhavi's deeper psychological struggles. In the novel, the paranoia and the fear that she experienced were more pronounced, adding to the tension. The film, while emotionally resonant, leans towards a more sanitized, romanticized portrayal. This shift may have made the movie more palatable for general audiences, but it also softened the story's dark edges. Another point of contention was the certain twists in the novel which were simplified or left out entirely. For instance, the character development of Madhavi's tormentors is less fleshed out, making them appear more one dimensional compared to the literary counterparts. Alright, time for some fun trivia. Did you know that Kati Patang was one of Asha Parekh's biggest hits and earned her a Filmfare Award for Best Actress? And here's a cool tidbit: Rajesh Khanna wasn't the original choice for Kamal. Yes. But after his meteoric rise with Aradhna, producers knew he was the perfect fit. So, did Kati Patang fly high as an adaptation? It may not have stayed true to the darker roots of Woolrich I Married a Dead Man, but as a piece of Bollywood history, it absolutely holds on its own. If you haven't seen it yet, what are you waiting for? Trust me, it's a melodrama worth revisiting any time of the year. And that's all for today's episode. Thank you so much for tuning into Chapter 2 Cinema. Don't forget to hit follow and join us next week for another journey from book to screen. Until then, happy reading and happy watching. Thank you so much.